While I'm here, let me just make a quick PSA. Someone contacted me not too long ago to ask me for assistance with a child's passport. I explained the process, that the application must go through the consulate. So she said her friend told her that I assisted her and I did everything and the passport came to her door. Yes, when it's an adult passport. If you're applying to renew an adult passport, I can take care of everything for you and it comes straight to your door. But when it's a child's passport, it has to go to the government. But I need to remind people that the government is safeguarding the welfare of your child by requiring an ID to be submitted with all applications. There are some consulates right now that are considering making it a requirement for an application for a child to be submitted in person. I know London does that, and the same for a lost passport. You have to submit the application in person in London, even if you live in Birmingham, Manchester, it no matter, you have to carry team. So for a child's passport, you have to submit the application through the consulate. But what I want people to understand and remember is that the government is safeguarding the welfare of your child. The government is ensuring that anyone applying for a passport for your child, it is with your full consent. So while the process might take long, they are safeguarding your child. I am Gail of 876 Documents, and I thank you for watching.